Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some more problems on area under the curve. Okay, so this is my last video lecture on the area under the curve. I have covered more than 2 lectures from this topic, and this is a very good topic and must must one question, compulsory one question is going to ask in JEE mains and advanced from this chapter. Okay, so please watch this video again and again. If you don't understand, ask me in comments. Let's start with first question. The area bounded between the parabolas x square is equal to y by 4 and x square is equal to 9y, and the straight line y is equal to 2 is. Okay, so first thing you have to do is draw the graph. Okay, let's draw the graph. Both are parabola. Now here for the parabola, if the coefficient of y is large, then the parabola has more expansion. The width of parabola is more. Here the two coefficient 1 by 4 and 9. So the coefficient having 9 has larger width. So this outer parabola, this C, this parabola is x square is equal to 9y, and this parabola is x square is equal to y by 4. Now you have to find this shaded area between this and this y is equal to 2. How you are going to do this? Very simple, just use a simple logic. See, you have the limits in y 0 to 2. You have limits in y 0 to 2. Okay, so you have dy, so you have to multiply it with x, so x dy, integration 0 to 2 x dy, you know that. Now what you have to do, just this bigger parabola, it makes an, I draw the area which it makes this much of area. This bigger parabola, see, this much of area is covered by bigger parabola, y is equal to 2 and y axis. Okay, this much of area, see. Okay, now this area minus area made by the smaller parabola, so that is this much of area. See, this much of area is covered by the smaller. So if you subtract both, then you will automatically get this remain area, and this is only for one portion. You have to also find for this, so you have to multiply it with 2. Very simple question. Let's do that. So 2 into 0 to 2, bigger parabola minus smaller parabola into dy, because here it's x dy. So bigger minus smaller. What is bigger? It's x square is equal to 9y. So x is equal to 3 root y, and for smaller it is root y by 2 into dy. Very simple. Okay, now just integrate this. 3 root y minus root y by 2, so it's 5 root y by 2. 2 integration 0 to 2. Now 5 is common, 2 gets cancel out. Integration of y raised to 1 by 2 is y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 from 0 to 2. So it's 10 by 3, 2 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0. So it's 20 root 2 by 3. Okay, so my right answer is option number 3, 20 root 2 by 3. Understand? You just have to draw the graph and understand which area you have to find, then subtract or add the required area. Okay, let's see one more example. This question is asked in JEE 2012. Before JEE, the papers are from JEE. Okay, and this is asked in JEE 2012. This question is asked in JEE 2011. The area of the region enclosed by the two curves y is equal to x, that is straight line passing through region, x is equal to e, and y is equal to 1 by x, that is parabola, that is hyperbola. Y is equal to 1 by x is hyperbola and the positive x-axis. Okay, so let's see this example. Y is equal to x line, I draw it out, straight line passing through this. Then the hyperbola, sorry, it's hyperbola, y is equal to 1 by x and x is equal to e, so this line. Now see friends, they both intersect at here, and this point is very simple, it is 1 comma 1. Okay, so you have these points. Now simple, you have to find out this much of area, this much of shaded area, and this much of shaded area have two parts, this and this. Now this area is under the line and this area is under the curve, that is y is equal to 1 by x, and you have the limits in dx, so you have to multiply with it y, so you have y dx. Okay, now first for this area integrate 0 to 1 y dx, and what is y is equal to x, so you have this 0 to 1 y dx, that is x dx. Okay, plus for this much of area you have 1 to e, 1 to e by dx, that is 1 to e 1 by x dx, 1 to e 1 by x dx. Now just integrate this and get the answer. I am not going to that integration portion because it's very easy. X dx integration, that is x square by 2, and then putting the limit 1 by x dx, that is log x, and then putting the limit. I am not going to that part. Just integrate that and get the answer 3 by 2. So my answer option number 2 is right on option 3 by 2 square units. Okay, let's see one more example. This question is asked in JEE 2010. The area bounded by the curves y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x between the coordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 pi by 2. Each and every student of 11th and 12th science know the graph of y is equal to cos x and sin x. So this is the graph of y is equal to sin x, and this is the graph of y is equal to cos x. Now we have to find between 0 to 3 pi by 2. So I mark here it is 3 pi by 2. Okay, so this graph intersects at 2 points, pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Okay, now very please understand this. Now you have to find out this much of shaded area between these two. Now see, at 0 to pi by 4, which is upper and which is lower? Here the cos x is upper side and sin x is lower than cos x, so we have to find out cos x minus sin x. Okay, so the upper portion gives this much of area, this total area, and then if I subtract this sin x, then it gives this much of area, then we have remained with this. Okay, similarly in this pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, which have larger area? The larger portion has sin x, because sin x is on the upper side of cos x, so you have to subtract sin x minus cos x. Okay, and then in 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2, which is upper side, you see cos x is upper side, so you have to subtract cos x minus sin x. This is very simple trick to identify the formula that which curve should be subtracted from which. Okay, here first cos x is upper and sin x is lower, so we have cos x minus sin x, and this sin x is upper, cos x is lower, so we have sin x minus cos x, and then this cos x is upper and sin x is lower, so we have cos x minus sin x. Okay, let's do this integration. So 0 to pi by 4, cos x minus sin x dx, because limit is from dx, so we have y dx. Pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, it is sin x minus cos x dx, and 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2, it is cos x minus sin x dx. Dx is missing dx. Okay, and then just integrate this. I am not going to that integration part because it's very easy. Okay, you all know the integration of cos x sin x, then putting the upper limit minus lower limit, and you will get the answer 4 root 2 minus root 2, that is option number 4. So answer option number 4 is my right option. Okay, so we have seen more than 10 example on area under the curve. That is a very good topic in JEE mains, so please solve more and more problems, and if you don't understand any of the question, please ask me in comments. I very appreciate your view if you ask me in comments that sir, I don't know this and this question, and I am going to post a video on that particular question. Okay, so please do that, solve more problems. If you don't know, if you don't understand anything, ask me in comments. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.